random brain activity during sleep, with no deeper meaning or purpose. Despite the controversy surrounding his theories, Freud's work on dreams has had a significant impact on the field of psychology and continues to be studied and discussed today. In conclusion, Freud's theory of dreams suggests that they are a reflection of our unconscious desires and conflicts. They provide a window into our deepest thoughts and emotions, allowing us to gain insight into ourselves. To protect ourselves, our mind disguises these desires in the form of symbols or metaphors. This is what Freud called the dream work. He believed that by analyzing these symbols, we can uncover the hidden meaning of our dreams and gain a deeper understanding of ourselves. Freud also introduced the concepts of manifest and latent content in dreams. The manifest content is what we actually remember from our dreams. It's the storyline, the characters, the settings. The latent content, on the other hand, is the symbolic meaning behind these elements.